Introduction. Hey, connect to World Buddies. Today, let's explore the term ʻhʒləʊ. It's not just an empty space. There's more to this word. Let's venture into the realms of emptiness, echoes, and metaphorical depth. Meaning. So, ʻhʒləʊ can refer to a space that is empty or has a void within. It's also used metaphorically to describe something lacking substance, depth, or sincerity. Usage. Imagine exploring a hollow tree trunk in the woods, or feeling the hollow echo in an empty room. Examples. Think of a hollow victory without true achievement, or the haunting sound of footsteps in a hollow tunnel. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhʒləʊ, ʻhʒləʊ, a term that conveys both the tangible emptiness and the abstract sense of something lacking, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hollow laughter? It's a phrase used to describe laughter that lacks genuine mirth or joy. Conclusion. If the idea of ʻhʒləʊ resonates with your experiences of emptiness or metaphorical depth, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more thought-provoking word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.